Hi everyone. So today we are going to be discussing about maternity insurance as part of your medical coverage. I would wish that we could provide maternity insurance as a standalone package, but unfortunately for now, we are unable to. But this is what you need to know when it comes to helping you plan for the next child or for an individual or couples that are looking to plan for the children in the future. So this video is going to cover three sections: what is maternity insurance and what it covers, what is maternity insurance and what it does not cover, and also the unique value proposition that each insurance company provides. And the first part is what is covered. So the things such as normal consultation, any prescription that is given during a maternity period, any standard prenatal and postnatal visits, any scans that are needed, the cost of giving birth whether naturally or through CS, and the CS can either be elective or emergency, and any medically necessitated pregnancy termination when the life of the mother is in danger, and also any scans that might be required. So generally, that is what maternity insurance is covering. And when it comes to what is not covered, so things such as anything that NHIF is supposed to pay for when it comes to, let's say, like the bed limit, then you need to know that you need to have that sorted out under NHIF. If you do not have an NHIF coverage, then you need to consider or you need to know that the part of bed is going to be paid out of pocket. And then other things such as family planning, they're not provided under the maternity package. So under this package, however, there are some forward-thinking insurance companies that have been able to enhance the outpatient coverage. So you'll need to have an outpatient cover so that you can be able to enjoy things such as family planning. Companies such as AP Insurance are able to provide a package of a family planning package of up to 10,000 within the outpatient limit. Others such as Jubilee and Heritage Insurance are able to provide that up to 2,500. The caveat though in these ones is only long-acting family planning methods, so you need to take note of that. This is a package that can be enjoyed when you have an outpatient cover limit for those three companies. Things such as premature birth, unless otherwise specified, the insurance company will be able to let you know whether it is covered or not. Others do cover it under the limit of the maternity package, such as Jubilee. Others will be able to provide a separate coverage of prematurity births, such as Madison Insurance. So you need to be able to know how your maternity insurance is packaged. And then things such as infertility treatment, unfortunately, they're not covered. But again, we always have that one company that decides this is where I'm going to shine. And in this case, we have APA Insurance that is able to provide infertility treatment and IVF treatments of up to 75,000, depending on the level of maternity coverage you have taken. And it is only able to be provided only if you have taken the coverage for maternity insurance. The other thing is any cost incurred related to maternity before the waiting periods are over. So if you are unfortunately already pregnant, you might not be able to enjoy the maternity coverage under your medical insurance. So you need to know that if you're pregnant and you incur costs before your waiting periods are over, then unfortunately those costs will not be covered. And then now the unique value proposition that each insurance company provides. And this is where now we are going to see the limits, basically. And we have two categories of insurance in this particular case. So we have companies that are able to provide the maternity insurance as part of their inpatient package, and then they cap it to what is called a sublimit. So sublimit is just a certain percentage of your inpatient cover that you can be able to use towards a very specific treatment of a condition or an illness or whatever it is that the insurance company will be able to specify. And in this case, companies that provide this package under the inpatient coverage would be looking at AR Insurance that is able to provide coverage of between 50,000 all the way to 500,000 for maternity. And then we have CIC Insurance that is able to provide between 50,000 all the way to 250,000. We have companies such as Old Mutual that is able to provide between 50,000 all the way to 200,000. And then companies like Madison Insurance that is able to provide between 30,000 all the way to 200,000. So what that means is that because this package is part of the inpatient coverage, once you have already finished serving your waiting period, you can be able to use your maternity package whenever you need it. And then the second category of insurance companies are those companies that are going to charge a separate cost. So you need to know that if you do not specify that you need a maternity package for this one, then you will not be provided for maternity. And you need to know that this package of maternity comes at an extra cost. So which companies are these? We'll be looking at companies like Heritage Insurance. They provide coverage of between 50,000 all the way to 350,000. We are looking at Britain that will be able to provide between 80,000 all the way to 300,000. And companies like APA and Jubilee that are able to provide between 50,000 all the way to about 200,000. So those companies, you need to be aware that unless you specify that you're looking for maternity insurance, your normal inpatient coverage will not come with a maternity package. So you need to purchase this at an extra cost. The beautiful part about this one is that you can be able to add this benefit when you need it, and when you don't need it, you don't need to purchase it. However, the challenge again comes in when you purchase this policy during your insurance period or after at renewal. You need to know that you're going to be subjected to a waiting period. The normal waiting period, the period that you're not able to use the coverage until it is over, you're going to be subjected it, irrespective of how long you have been with the insurance company. Unlike the first situation where the coverage is within the inpatient limit, so therefore once you finish serving your waiting periods, you can be able to use it as long as you renew your cover on time. And the next option, you are going to be subjected to the waiting periods when you purchase the cover option. Yeah, and basically those are the uniqueness of each insurance company that we are currently working with. And if you're looking on how you can, whether your package makes sense to you, or you don't know whether which package to select and you just want further guidance, then look no further. You can talk to us, you can talk to Amshority Insurance Agency, and we can definitely be able to provide with you the coverage that is going to fit you and your lifestyle. However, if you're a younger family, would an inpatient cover limit that is providing maternity to be ideal? Or would an additional cost when needed still be ideal? So those are questions we help answer, and we help navigate our clients through when you're looking at maternity insurance as part of your medical insurance coverage.